In this video, we are going to set up the Office installations and additional applications that Alchemy can utilize. I have stuck the Office CD inside the DVD drive, and I'm going to begin the installation for Office. After entering my product key, I'm going to hit continue and accept the terms. In the Office applications window, I'm going to pick and choose which applications I don't want. Microsoft Access is not required. Excel is. Groove is not. InfoPath is not. OneNote is not. Outlook is. PowerPoint can be utilized and Publisher cannot. The rest of the installation is fine. The Visio viewer is not required in my specific version of Office, so I will also X that one out. The installation will begin. Once the installation is done, you need to open one of the Office applications that were installed. I will open up Microsoft Word, and of course it will have me activate. Once it is done activating, I can go ahead and go through the pop-ups, the initial pop-ups. I'll hit finish, and now I can close Word. I can reopen Word to make sure that there are no pop-ups. The reason Office is required is because Alchemy Web uses Microsoft Office to convert all Office documents that are viewed through the web to PDF. The next step is optional. I'm going to go to a website called Ninite, NINITE.com. This website allows me to install third-party applications all in one installer. I like Notepad, but I prefer Notepad++. I also install EarthenView, which helps us look at images outside of Alchemy, as well as Adobe Reader, the latest versions. Now I can go ahead and click the Get Installer. I'll click Download Installer, and I'll run the installer. Once the installer initializes, I can show details, and I can also close the IE window in the background. As you can see, it's already installed EarthenView and is downloading the other two applications. Once these are complete, we will go ahead and configure all the applications. Now that the three applications are complete, I can close the Ninite installer. The first thing I want to do is open Adobe Reader. The reason I am doing this is to go ahead and accept any pop-up of license agreement for the application. Once I click Accept, I can then go ahead and close the Adobe Reader application. I can then open EarthenView. What I like to do is set my file associations to open any image on the computer with EarthenView. So I click Images Only, and I click OK. I can close EarthenView. Notepad++ loves to auto-update itself. So I'm going to go to Settings and Preferences. As you can see, it's trying to update itself. Go to Miscellaneous and uncheck Enable Notepad++ Auto Updater, as well as Remember Current Session for next launch. So every time I open Notepad++, it will not open the last document. This completes this video for setting up additional applications for Alchemy Server. In the next video, we will continue with installing our Alchemy applications.